Welcome back, my dear students. Hope you all are good. So, dear students, today we are going to start the next chapter of our English grammar. That is chapter number 15. Okay, so what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is Has, Have. I hope you all of you know about use of has and have. But you have to listen it again very carefully where to use has and where to use have. Okay, first of all, has and have we use when something or someone belongs to us. When something or someone belongs to us, okay, related to us, that there we use has and have, and we use it when we are talking about present, now, not about past, not about future. So when we are talking about the present and the things or person, if they relate to us, they belong to us. Suppose I'll give you one example. You can see, I have 2 markers. So these are my markers. Yes, these markers belongs to me. Yes, so what I have used? I have. Have, because with I we use have. She has 1 red marker. She has 1 red marker. She has means with she we have used has. Yes, because the marker is hers, so we have used she has 1 red marker. So has and have we use to show a relation between something or someone. Let us do. We use has, have to show that someone or something belongs to us. Yes? Okay. So has and have. Where do we use has? You have to learn, and which I have written here. This you will write on the top of your book, so that every time when we are writing it, here you will write where you can see the space neatly in small size. Don't write very big, it look messy otherwise. So has and have, these 2 lines you will write in your book on the top, like we are writing every time. So it makes us easy to understand the chapter, what is there in the whole chapter, what we are going to learn in this chapter. So has we use with singular noun or singular pronoun. Okay, singular noun or singular pronoun. Singular pronoun, he, she, it. Singular noun, when we are talking about one person, one place, Karnal, teacher, doctor, boy, girl, farmer. Yes, when we are talking about one thing only, 1 marker, 1 table, 1 book, 1 board. Yes, so when we are talking about one thing, one noun or one pronoun, we use has. Okay, singular noun or pronoun. And have we use with I have. I have 1 marker. I have 2 markers. So with I we have a big car. We have a big house. Yes, so with I we use have. You have completed your work. You have done your work yourself. You have done very good work. So with you we use have. They have completed their home task. They have finished their lunch. Yes, so with I we use have. And with plural noun. Plural noun means when we are talking about many things, many person. Okay, like children have finished their work. Children have done their work. Children have eaten their lunch. Children have gone to the park. Yes, so with children, because children is a plural pronoun, plural noun. It's not pronoun, it's noun. Children. is a plural noun we use for so many kids. Boys have blue pant. Girls have badmintons in their hands. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So with singular noun or pronoun we use has, and with plural noun or pronoun we use have. So you all have to write these 2 lines in your book. Let us move to the exercise. So you can see I have written some fill-ups on my board. Let us do it. Let us do the practice. First, I dash 3 musical instruments. So with I we use have. I have told you here I, we, you, they. So with I we use have. I have 3 musical instruments. So I have, we have 3 musical instruments. You have 3 musical instruments. They have 3 musical instruments. So with these we use have. Second, the butterfly dash beautiful wings. So we are talking about butterfly, and butterfly is singular noun. Yes, it's an insect. We are talking about noun. So butterfly is singular one. When we are talking about singular, so we always use HAS. Has. The butterfly has beautiful wings. Here, if here it is given butterflies, then butterflies are plural, and when we are talking of plural, then we will use have. But here it is given butterfly, it is singular, so we will use has. Next, number 3. Many whales dash no sense of smell. So here, while we are talking about, we are not talking about one whale, we are talking about many whales. So when we are talking about plural, we always use have. Many whales have no sense of smell. Number 4. You dash a test next week. So you, with you we always use have. You have a test next week. Okay. Next, Delhi dash metro rail service. So we are talking about Delhi. Delhi is the name of one city. Yes. So what you will use here? We will use have. No. Have we used with plural? So we are talking about Delhi, about one city, singular city. So here we will use HAS. Has. Delhi has metro rail services. If it is given Delhi and Chandigarh dash, Delhi and Chandigarh means we are talking about 2 cities, then you will write have. But we are talking about one Delhi city, one city, so we will use here has. So this way you will do this exercise in your English grammar book. This is your book. In this question you have to see they have a swimming pool in their school. You have to see the correct with the correct subject, the correct has or have is used or it is wrong. So you have to tick and cross. My friend has 4 pet dogs. We are talking about my friend, one friend. So obviously when we are talking about singular noun we will use has. He have. So you can see here he have is given. So he have is wrong. With he we always use has. So he have will not come. So this way you have to cross whichever is wrong here. Okay. So this we have done in our book. This also you can see, look at the pictures. Pictures are given to you, help boxes are given to you. You have to complete these sentences. So this you should do yourself. I hope the things are clear to you, concept is clear to you. The peacock has beautiful feathers. You will see we are talking about one peacock. So we have used here has. Yes, if we were talking about peacocks, then we will, if it is given here peacocks, then we will write here have. Next is dash, I dash. Now nothing is given to you. So what you have to do? So you will see here this girl is saying. So what she is doing? She is cleaning her nose. So how you will find? A bad cold. I have. With I we will use have. I have. Then you will complete the sentence with the help box. I have a big cold. Yes. So this way you will complete this. I have given the PDF. Answers are given to you. Firstly you will do yourself. Then you will match your answer if it is correct or it is wrong. Okay. So take care. God bless you.